So the first thing you do is you open the link to the supervisor reports in Visual Factory. You should have this. You'll find this link in the hyperlinks folder. It's on the work instructions, Visual Factory hyperlinks. You'll find that link, which is vf.holland reports. Alright, there you go. Rotor mold. Scroll down. Rotor mold supervisors VF export. Click on that. Once the data populates, you set your time frame. I usually do current week, grabs the most data, takes a little bit longer than if you do a day. You can do today, previous week. Update your results. Gotta repopulate your whole list. Now save it as a CSV file. Now, all you gotta do is go back to your dashboard data CSV folder, drag and drop the file in there. You can put a time frame if you want, put a date, just label it with the date if you want to make it easy for everyone. 7/18, done. All you do is open the dashboard, save action, click on data, refresh all data. This will load all the information that you just put into the dashboard. It'll put all the information you dropped into that file, loads it back into the dashboard, and you're done. And once the data loads, just go to the parts tab, figure out what part, and then you select your slicers, figure out what parts you made on your shift, and then enter those into SAP, which I'll show you here as soon as it gets in loading. It's loading a whole week, and the internet's slow this morning, so sometimes it might take up to a minute or two. If it takes longer than that, it might error out. You might have to close the dashboard, open it back up, restart. Basically has to do with the server, the Holland server. So I recommend everybody save a copy to their own desktop. It won't hurt anything for you to save your own copy of the entire dashboard. Alright, so it's done loading. Give it a little save again, make sure. And so I want to choose first shift. Let's say the 26th was yesterday. And that's all my parts. Now I just go through and enter these into SAP. And that's it. So part, number, and then I'll add the machine that it came off in here too, or any information. It's pretty easy to add here. And that's it. This was your tutorial by Groff.